Melissa Giles, Crazy Imagination Travel. I have just arrived at the grand reopening of Walt Disney World. We are staying in 4624 at the Contemporary Resort, and we are in a Bay Lake view room in the tower, and I want to take you for a tour. I'm so happy to be back. The Contemporary Resort, of course, is a deluxe resort. I like to stay here because it is the closest to Magic Kingdom and gives our guests the option of walking across the street, which is all very nice, especially if you have little kids and you're not wanting to ride the motor coaches or Uber or that kind of thing. It's really good to just walk right across the street on the cement path sidewalk. All right, well, this particular Contemporary Bay Lake view room has 2 queen beds, a pull-out sleeper sofa here. Actually, it's a pull down. It will sleep 1. Will sleep 1. So a party of 5 can enjoy this room. Lots of plugs for you to charge. Storage space. And here is your TV. And some of the touches we're doing during COVID, you'll see here that your remote control has been wrapped, which is nice. And an awesome desk area here with storage underneath. More plugs. And a list of how Disney is keeping you and your family safe with enhanced cleaning. There's kind of a glare on it, so let me show you here. These are all the things that Disney is doing to keep your family safe. Light switches, controls, beverage areas, everything's being cleaned very nicely. So happy to be here. All right, let's go into the entry area. These are your 2 closets. And then you have a beverage area here with your Keurig coffee maker and different coffee options and ice. And then down here we have our refrigerator. And then these will pull out as well. Your closet space is nice. 2 of these with an ironing board and an iron. And of course we have more storage and then a safe for your valuables. Same thing over here. Extra linens in case you need to pull out that 5th sleeper. And a luggage rack. We're so excited. We're headed to Animal Kingdom today for the annual pass preview, so can't wait to get there. Now here is your bathroom. It has a sliding door for privacy. Nice lighted mirrors, sink. And here's all our wonderful Disney products that you're used to when you stay in a deluxe resort. Body lotion, mouthwash, vanity kit, facial soap, etc. We also have a vanity mirror here. A nice hair dryer with storage underneath. Here's your shower area. And the curtain comes around like so. And again, on the marble area, we have more H2O products. And last but not least, the potty area here that's separated. And it also, of course, has a door that closes. Now, let's go look at the Bay Lake view. A little humid today. It's July. All right, love this. There's Bay Lake Tower. Nice view. The pool area is open at the Contemporary. See the Polynesian and Wilderness Lodge in the background. Out on the balcony you have 2 chairs and a table slash stool, if you will. Just beautiful. For your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa at crazyimaginationtravel.com. I'll take great care of you. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to follow all my Disney travels. We will see you real soon.